departed, headmisters, all the teachers, and my dear fellow students. Today I am going to deliver a short speech about our former Chief Minister, the great selfless leader, Mr. Kamarajan. He was born on July 15, 1903 in Virudhunagar. His father's name was Kumarasamy. His mother's name was Sivahami. He presided as Tamil Nadu Chief Minister. He established the mid-day program. He was made enormous contribution to our state, such as in industry, in education and also in agriculture. He received the Bharat Ratna Award. It is the highest honor in India. He is the kingmaker of Indian politics. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you, my class teacher, for giving me this great opportunity. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.